a 3-story semi-detached home situated within the high-demand Upper Beaches Estates neighbourhood. Welcome to 29 Flagman Street. Featuring a brick exterior and a landscaped front yard with a newly upgraded walkway to the covered front entrance, through the front entry door is an open concept main level showcasing 9-foot ceilings, and with beautiful hardwood flooring in the elegantly combined entertaining spaces of the living and dining rooms, where an oversized north-facing window allows for soft natural lighting, while a linear light fixture ambiently brightens the intimate setting of the dining area. With a light color palette and abundant natural lighting from a south-facing exposure, the exceptional work and family space of the kitchen area showcases upgraded floor tiles, a stainless steel double sink, French door fridge with bottom mount freezer, oven with smooth surface cooktop and dishwasher, great cabinetry storage that includes a built-in wall pantry, a tiled backsplash and stone countertops with seating at the peninsula, and contemporary light fixtures. The gas fireplace is surrounded by a stone facade and elegant mantel, bringing warmth to the kitchen and its adjacent sitting area, which is also ideal as a cozy breakfast room. And through the walkout is the fully fenced and private backyard retreat, which features a wood deck for seasonal outdoor entertaining and year-round barbecuing, while a detached single-car garage is accessible from the deck as well as from Drummondville Lane at the rear. Curving gracefully as it carries to the second level is a beautiful oak staircase, with this level featuring 2 bedrooms, both with broadloom and good-sized closets. The first bedroom is generously sized and has a light neutral decor, its spaciousness enhanced by the bright natural light flooding through its south-facing window, while walls with a soft pastel shade give the second bedroom a cozy, relaxed aura. These bedrooms share the common use 4-piece washroom, which has a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, and the hardwood flooring that flows throughout the hallway is continued into the media room, showcasing a soaring 20-foot vaulted ceiling with 2 second-story arched windows, plus a 3rd-story window for ample natural lighting. This wonderful family and entertaining space also features a walkout onto a balcony overlooking the tree-lined street, as well as niches on its east wall that can be used for artwork or finished with storage cabinets and display shelves. The hardwood railings of the second-level staircase are continued along the hallway and with the carpeted staircase to the 3rd level, which is dedicated to the master suite. The landing and the bedroom are finished with hardwood flooring, while a neutral color palette and the abundant natural lighting of a south-facing exposure gives this private retreat a fresh, airy aura. Its spa-like 5-piece ensuite washroom showcases separate bath and shower areas, tiled finishes in muted earthen tones evoking a calm and relaxing atmosphere, and vanities complete with dark stone counters for a striking yet elegant contrast. This bedroom also has 2 good-sized closets with the niche space between them featuring built-in soft-closing drawers, and additionally showcases a walkout onto a sun-washed south-facing balcony. Located in a family-oriented community, this home is within the catchment area of top-notch schools, including Adam Beck Jr. and Glen Ames Senior Public Schools, as well as Malvern Collegiate and Danforth Collegiate and Technical Institutes, while recreational and outdoor facilities such as Bob Acton Park, the East Toronto Athletic Field, and the Ted Reeve Community Arena are just minutes away. Off a sunken landing across from the dining area is a powder room with ceramic flooring and a vanity with stone counter, as well as the staircase to the lower level. This level features LED pot lighting and updated flooring throughout, a combined laundry and mechanical room, a large storage room, a spacious family recreation area with a mirrored door closet and extra room for home office or fitness use, as well as an upgraded 3-piece washroom with a tiled floor, a corner glass shower, and a vanity with stone counter. With Danforth Avenue and Kingston Road shopping and restaurants close at hand, as well as the Main Street subway and Danforth GO stations, this home is also within walking distance to the beach neighborhood with its shops, restaurants, and entertainment, as well as the boardwalk and beach along Lake Ontario. And it's just a short drive to the Don Valley Parkway to connect with other major thoroughfares within the city.